Ibrahim Traore asks traditional healers to join public hospitals. Welcome to Parakeet Media, your global viewpoint. At Parakeet Media, we bring the world to your screen. From breaking headlines to in-depth analysis, our mission is to deliver unbiased, fact-driven international news that keeps you informed, aware, and ahead. We cover politics, economics, climate, conflicts, culture, and global affairs with clarity and context, because the world deserves more than noise. Stay informed, stay curious, stay connected with Parakeet Media. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates from around the world. President Ibrahim Traoré of Burkina Faso has unveiled a transformative healthcare policy aimed at formally integrating traditional medicine into the nation's public health system. This bold initiative seeks to improve healthcare access across the country, with a particular focus on rural and underserved communities, where modern medical infrastructure is often limited. By incorporating indigenous medical knowledge into mainstream healthcare, the government also aims to preserve the country's rich cultural heritage and elevate the role of traditional healers, who have long served as primary caregivers for much of the population. Traditional medicine plays a vital role in the lives of Burkina citizens. Statistics indicate that over 80% of the population relies on traditional remedies and practices as their primary form of healthcare. Recognizing this reality, the Traoré administration is taking deliberate steps to legitimize, regulate, and support these long-standing practices within the formal healthcare structure. One of the central components of the new policy is the certification of traditional healers. These practitioners will undergo vetting and training to meet safety and efficacy standards, ensuring that their services align with national health objectives and ethical practices. Furthermore, the government plans to establish protocols for incorporating traditional medicine into hospitals and health centers. This will involve close collaboration between biomedical professionals and traditional healers, encouraging a more holistic approach to healthcare delivery. In addition to fostering mutual respect between the two systems, the initiative aims to bridge the gap between cultural practices and modern medicine, creating a unified, inclusive model of care that better serves the population's needs. To guarantee the safety and effectiveness of herbal and other traditional treatments, the government will enforce rigorous guidelines. Remedies must have a minimum of 20 years of consistent use, supported by ethnomedical evidence from the communities where they have been traditionally practiced. This standard ensures that only treatments with a proven track record of safety and effectiveness will be approved for wider public use. These efforts will be complemented by adherence to the World Health Organization's WHO guidelines for the registration and quality control of traditional medicines. These international standards will help inform the certification process and set benchmarks for the safe production, packaging, and distribution of herbal remedies. The move to institutionalize traditional medicine is just one part of President Traoré's comprehensive plan to overhaul Burkina Faso's healthcare sector. His broader vision includes the deployment of mobile clinics designed to bring essential medical services to remote villages and marginalized populations. These mobile units aim to reduce the health disparities caused by geographic and economic barriers and to ensure that no citizen is left behind in accessing quality care. In sum, President Ibrahim Traoré's initiative represents a paradigm shift in public health policy, one that honors traditional wisdom while embracing regulatory oversight and modern health strategies. It signals a commitment to culturally sensitive healthcare reforms that respect the knowledge of indigenous communities while striving for national health equity and system resilience. For a deeper understanding of President Traoré's healthcare reforms and the impact they may have on Burkina Faso's future, subscribe to Parakeet Media and watch out for more updates.